Hello students, today we will try to learn second experiment or I can say second practical on soft skill. I am Professor G.B. Davre from Kekiwag Institute of Engineering Education and Nasik. The second assignment as per Pune University syllabus for the second year chemical engineering student is letter writing. Letter writing is very important. There are different types of how to write the letter, types of letter writing. So one by one we will try to understand how to write the letter and letter writing. So we will try to learn first of all what is meant by letter writing. Letter is nothing but a written message. We write a letter to a person who are far away from us, or sometimes we are also writing a letter to maybe the boss, maybe our professors, maybe the manager, right? We want to convey our message to them in a clear and forceful manner, right? This is nothing but a letter. Letter can also be a written, type or printed communication sent in an envelope, by post or by messenger. So this is a letter. We all are aware about the letter. Now important thing is that there are certain points that we have to understand when we are writing the letter. It must be in correct format. It is short and to the point. It is relevant to the topic. And it must have not grammatical and spelling mistakes. It should be written in polite even if you are complaining, and well represented. So these are the points we have to remember while we are writing the letter, right? Then there are several types, as I earlier told you: formal letter, informal letter. So basically business letter is also one of the type that we will also see later on. So formal letter is written for a professional, like in office, business, for communication, written in a formal language with a specific format for communication for business and official purpose. You are suppose you are writing a letter to principal regarding leave, so that will come under formal letter. You are writing letter to get some chemicals for your project work, that is a formal letter, right? Inquiry of a chemical in outside lab, that is a formal letter. Informal letter, like you are staying in a hostel and you are writing your letter to your parents. So informal letters are written to friends, relatives, and there is no strict format to write. So this is the informal letter. Fine. Now, as I earlier told, types of letter, business letter is also one of the type. Formal, semi-formal, informal we have learned. So business letter are primarily informal information with no personal content. No personal content is main theme for the business letter, like sale letter, order letter, termination letter. So sales letter, or if you want to order something, so this is not going to be in a detail in the personal things. Formal letter, based on the context, there may be personal content, right? Suppose you are writing a letter to the principal, so you may write I am studying in second year chemical engineering, third year chemical engineering, my name is, my roll number. These are the formal things will come. But in business letter, just you will mention the company name, order of the thing, and your name and sign. That's it. Semi-official letter, formal letter, and persons with same rank or position. Solution will be dear Mr. Like suppose I am writing a letter to my colleagues. Okay, so I will write dear or Mr. Dash, please hand over my document to somebody, or that will become under at equal level people when they are writing a letter. So that is a semi-official letter, but the official contents will be there. So that is a semi-official letter. Then business letter. A business letter is a specific class of a formal letter from one company to another, or between such organization and their customers, client and other external parties. The overall style of the letter depends on the relationship between the parties and the concern. Even today, they are very useful because it processes a permanent record. They are confidential, formal, and deliver in a precisely and well considerable message. So basically the business letter are a formal letter, and it is depend upon, suppose the business is going from last 15 to 20 days, then there may be personal things you can add. It may be later to party, organization to organization, and precise message and formal things are added. So that is must be written in a formal way, but you can also add, if your relations are good, then some personal things may be there. The elements of the formal letters, like the letterhead, if you check out our letterhead, there are so many envelopes are there of a college letterhead, KK Wagh Institute of Engineering. Then the letterhead is also there, which is having a logo of a, and then the specific letterhead of our KK Wagh Engineering College having our address and the postal address. So these are coming for the specific organization or institute. They follow their letterhead, right? So this is the letterhead in which you can write the formal letter. Then reference. Reference is in a formal letter may be important. Suppose I want to take permission for industrial visit. So maybe in outward number I will reference like the number and GM 304 2000 suppose 16. So ACM I will write industrial visit. So the reference, why, for what purpose the letterhead used, or for what thing I am writing a letter. So the outward number will be helpful as a reference. Fine. Then date. Date, obviously date will be there. Now there are many styles to write the date, like the British method is, as you can see in the screen, 4th July 2012. That's how they used to write. American method is July 4, 2012. But generally don't write like 7-2-12 or 7/2-12. This is not a good sign, or this is just a careless approach, one can say. So if you write in these two ways, then this will be good, right? So this date must be there at the right top corner of the letter. It is very important, right? And the inside address, include the name, address of the firm or individual to whom you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing a letter to principal, so to the principal, KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education, or you can also write to Dr. K. Nandurkar, principal, KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik, and then you can add the postal code like that. Written on left side beside the margin, 2 space below the date line. So these are the important things for the letter writing. And you can use, like as I told you, Professor, Mr. Likewise you can use these things. Fine. Then subject and receiver's reference number. So subject is very important. Suppose you are writing a letter in your college regarding medical leave. So if you write, then suppose you are writing a letter for fee concession, if you want to pay fee in 2 terms, like in July you will pay the half fee, and in January you are going to pay half fee. So the subject must be clear about the concession to pay full fee for 6 months. Then our principal or any reader can easily understand what is your message. So the subject writing is very important, and it must be clear, and it can be easily understood. Then body means whole structure. It can be divided into introductory paragraph, then middle paragraph, and the closing. So introductory, like suppose you are writing, so myself Sagar Patil, studying in B Chemical. So this will be your introductory, my roll number, this and this. Middle paragraph, why you purpose, the main purpose, and closing may be please consider and requesting you. So these things generally in the body. Complimentary clause, like at the end you are saying ki, with warm regards, or with best wishes, or thank you, you are faithfully, you are obedient. Generally student used to say you are obedient, and then you are writing your signature and then name and your name. So these things at the end you have to mention, right? And signature and designation I have already mentioned. So enclosure, the lines tells the reader to look in the envelope for more. So if you are written a letter, if you have written the letter to take the leave because of medical problem, and if you may mention at the bottom enclosure, maybe your doctor report, maybe your prescription, so that is attached, and you can write enclosure 1, enclosure 2, 3, 4, and then the detail of the enclosure, like prescription of the doctor, report of the hospital. So that's why it will be good. Then the reader will understand what you are having in the letter, or if you are writing the letter to company, maybe your resume, like you are writing an application, then you are attaching some documents like your mark sheets, then your resume. So that's how in enclosure you have to mention. Then these are different styles: block style, modified block, and intent style. Then is important thing, there are different format for writing a letter. If you are offering help and then for you are writing a letter, so these sentences will be impactful, like would you like, we would like to happy, then we are quite willing, our company would be pleased. So these kind of sentences will shows you are offering help. Giving good news, we are pleasure, I am delighted, you will be pleased, right? Giving bad news, we regret. Generally if you see, regret is normal use, I am afraid it would not be possible to. Then after careful consideration, we have decided not, right? So these kind of sentences will, even giving a bad message, that doesn't look bad. So that's how you have to write in this way. Complaining, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction. So this is a complaint, but in a well manner. Please note that the goods we are ordered have not arrived. So these kind of things are there. So even you are complaining, it should be in a proper manner. Like, we regret to inform you that our order number dash. Again, I would like to query the transport charges. So these things should be there. So giving good news, my pleasure, I am delighted. Giving bad news, I regret, we regret. Then complaining, then dissatisfaction kind of word should be there. So if you use this kind of word, then your letter will have, one can say, strong thing. So I think you have understood how to write the letter. I am just showing you one thing. If you see, check out the address at the top. So this is a block style, this is a modified, like you are writing to, from, okay, and these are the styles. So to and from, which must become. So that's how you can write the letter. And for homework, I will ask you to write formal letter. One formal letter may be your friend or relative. Informal letter maybe to your like professor or anything you are ordering, like. And business letter to a company, maybe you want to order something, or you want to get something, you want to inquire something. So I want these kind of 3 letters to your file. So please go through these slides. This will be very helpful for you people, and try to write these types of letter. If you search in book, that will be good. It is very important for you people to write a letter. Many times we will have to write a letter, and students are facing many problems. So please be careful for writing a letter. Try to use whatever the hints and guidelines I have given to you. So that is about your experiment number 2. So you will write all these 3 kind of letter. Thank you very much.